James Thompson here. Have you ever wanted to screen capture part of a page? Not the entire page, but just one section of it? Windows 7 has a built-in screen capture tool that allows you to draw a shape around exactly what you want to capture. It's really easy to use. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and get to your desktop, and in the lower left-hand corner, click on the Start Windows button. It should default at a search. Type in snip. At the very top, the snipping tool should appear. If you know that you're going to use this tool a lot, go ahead and right-click on that snipping tool program, and then click on Pin to Taskbar. What that's going to do is it's going to place it in your taskbar right down here for easy access. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the snipping tool. Oh, actually I'm going to close it first. I'm going to go to the page that I want to do a screen capture. So we're going to go to the district web page, and now I'm going to click on the snipping tool. When you bring up the snipping tool, it's going to kind of lock your screen. So you're going to want to bring up what you want to capture first before you open the tool. So I'm going to click on the tool, and you'll notice that the page that I have open has whitened out, and I don't have any access to it right now because the snipping tool is waiting for me to draw a shape around what I want to capture. So now I'm going to come up over here, and I'm going to try to capture the Sci-Fair logo. So I'm going to draw a rectangle around it, and then I'm going to release, and it's going to take a little while to process. I'm not sure why this is taking so long. My computer has been very slow. Typically it should happen instantaneously. Let's see how long this takes to work. Unfortunately, I can't pause the video because I am locked out of everything right now because of the nature of the tool. There we go. So now it is captured. This is the logo. Now what you can do is save this image that you just captured in a folder that you can go back and reference later. So I'm going to File, Save As, and for now I'm just going to save it to my desktop because I'm not going to keep this. It defaults to a snips folder, a subfolder that's, or maybe I made that folder. I think I did. Yeah, I made this folder myself. So go ahead and rename it District Logo. It allows you to save it as a variety of different images. I'm just going to leave it in this format, but you could change it to JPEG if you wanted to, or a GIF. And I'm going to hit Save, and then I'm done using the snip tool. And now to incorporate this into something, let's say you were making a Word file that you wanted to have some graphics in it, I would just open up Word, and I will now import that image into my Word document. So slow. There we go. So I'm just going to open up a single page, blank page. For some reason, when Word opens, you'll notice you don't have access. If you just Alt-Tab and then you bring Word back up, it'll give you access back. I'm not sure what that is. It's got a lock on something behind it, and really the only way I know to get rid of it right now is just to Alt-Tab out. So now what I'm going to go over here and do is I'm going to come up here to Insert, and I want to insert a picture from File. So I'm going to click on Pictures, and now I got to redirect it to that snip folder, which appears right there. It was appearing. I'm going to come down. There it is. So I'm going to go down to Snips and open that. There is my district logo right there. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit Insert, and now you have a image that you can use in your Word file. If you open up a program like Publisher, you'll have a little bit more flexibility in how you move that icon around. But really, this screen capture tool is going to allow you to import images, capture images, and import them in virtually any kind of editor, not just Word, but PowerPoint, Prezi, whatever you're using that you want to capture and paste images into. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you